You son of a bitch! Take some scrap off, man. What the hell are you doing?
I got a load for you whenever you get a chance. I got my old washer and some other shit.
That washer still holding up? Yeah, I saw the New York plate. I said, "Who's this motherfucker?" Man, man, you got good hours, man. Hell yeah. Yeah, I'll get over there, man. I gotta get a new tire back here. That one's about ready to fucking go.
Stop burning out.
Huh?
Stop burning out.
Yeah, do them trailers burn out one wheel peels? Oh fuck. So how's the family? Good. Christian, everybody still there? Yeah, I seen that, man. She just had that heart surgery, right? Be good, brother.